Hey everyone, this is Nate McAllister, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you the 2 tools that you have to use if you're an Amazon seller if you want to make sure that you don't waste your money and that the products that you buy actually sell as quickly as you expect. The tools that I'm going to recommend do pretty much the same thing, but I'm going to recommend them both because the data, some people prefer it in a certain way, and they both present it differently, and they both have different features. So tool number 1 is Keepa. You can get that at keepa.com. And tool number 2 is Camel. You can type it out, camel.com. The beauty of these tools is that they show you actually what is happening with sales rank, price, and all that good important information that we need, and it shows it over time. If you aren't using these tools, you're going off of things like just sales rank or assuming that the price that the product is listed at is what it's actually selling for. And that's just not usually the case. Back when I started selling on Amazon in 2014, it was me and my business partner. We didn't have a lot of money to waste. We couldn't make bad purchases, right? Because if we made a bad purchase, it tied up our money. So we'd either have to liquidate it to get our cash back, or we'd have to, wait for it to sell. And when your money's not moving, you're not making any money, right? So with Keepa and Camel, what we did, so we'd be scanning our products, I would be scanning the products, and he would be on the other end checking the products on Camel and Keepa. He was able to check if the sales rank was actually a good indicator of the sales velocity that we could expect. Also, we could see if the price that it was currently on the buy box for was even anywhere remotely close to what we were going to actually sell for. Remember, the price doesn't mean anything. The price can be set anywhere. That doesn't mean that people are buying it. So that's one of the big problems when people go off of just sales rank. They go, oh, it's ranked at 1,000 in toys. It's going to sell X amount a day. That's easy. But if you look at a site like Keepa or Camel, you can see that 1,000 sales rank might have been reflective of a much lower price. It's just basic supply and demand. If the price is going to go up, the demand is going to go down. So that's why sales rank really is a horrible indicator without tools like Keepa and Camel. Some of the most powerful softwares out there like Tactical Arbitrage integrate Keepa into them. But for this video, I'm just going to explain that you need Keepa and Camel. Be sure to subscribe, and in a future video, I'm going to show you how to actually read these graphs. Take it easy, everybody.